Hold up, did you see that? Our first major buy order for 50 Satoshis just hit. A third massive influx just slammed the 50 Satoshis order book. It's turning into a full-on buying frenzy. And hit the small minus icon. Pull out the entire position, slide to 100%. That's how you turn a fresh meme coin into a fat Solana stack in your wallet. If you've dabbled in meme coins, you've likely seen most of them plummet and vanish. Maybe you're fed up with sinking cash into doomed projects, or perhaps you're eager to turn things around and start racking up profits. Either way, hang tight. I'm about to walk you through launching meme coins the savvy way. Here's the game changer. How you stop gambling on meme coins and start creating them yourself. Sure, pump.fun might seem like the obvious choice, but let's be honest, it's a mess. Unless you've got something truly wild, standing out is nearly impossible. It's time to level up. While others flounder in pump.fun's flood, we're moving to where the pros play, Radium. It offers stronger fundamentals, better metrics, and a manageable 5 to 10 launches per minute instead of hundreds. Launching on Radium is easier than you'd expect with Bitlik Sol. No coding, no hassle, just a few clicks, and you're live. What once took hours now takes minutes. Let's dive in. Step 1. Logo creation craft. Something funny or eye-catching? Dull won't do. I often browse trending memes on social media for inspiration and tweak one. For example, take that absurd 50 Satoshis. Save it as a 128 by 128 pixel image, then simply press download and you're set. This is where you differentiate yourself from the pack. Step 2. Coin creation. First, connect your wallet and approve permissions when prompted. You're now in Bitlik Sol. Let's define your coin. I'll name it 50 Satoshis. Simple enough. For the symbol, let's use 50 Sati. Write a playful description like, Satoshi is now memecoin. Next, upload the logo you made and click Next. The tokenomics are preset for meme coins, so no need to overthink. Review them if you want, but if they look good, hit Next again. Now, the critical security step. Don't skip this. Enable all 3 revoke options. Revoke freeze prevents transaction blocks. Revoke mint stops unlimited coin printing. Revoke update locks the contract from sneaky changes. These build trust and safeguard your project. Triple check they're active, then hit launch. A few seconds later, your wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction. Confirm it, and your coin is live. You might see a warning, but it's safe. Just the standard Solana and Bitlik Sol fees. I do this countless times daily. Confirm the transactions and your token is created. It's the most exciting part. And yeah, Solana blockchain is kind of slow, so it can take like 30 seconds. So let's wait a little and boom! Our token created, but it's not on the Radium yet because it don't have liquidity. So first of all, let's check if everything good and double check it at the Sol scan. And yeah, as you can see, everything perfect. We have all the revoke authorities and token already in our wallet. And we're ready to create the liquidity. To create it, we need to hop back at the Bitlik Sol and press create liquidity pool. And then it redirect us to the Radium website. Connect your wallet. For the base token, paste the link that we just copied at the Bitlik Sol. It's the contract address you just got. Set the symbol as 50 Sati and the name as 50 Satoshis. Then select it. Your full 1,050,000,000 supply should appear. We'll inject 900 million into the liquidity pool to kickstart the market. The quote token is Solana. Max out your available SOL for this liquidity, but ensure you leave about 0.22 SOL for Radium's pool creation fee, as noted. This SOL is your initial capital to enable trading. For the fee tier, 0.25% is a solid, proven choice. With all settings ready, click Create Transaction Liquidity. Approve the transaction in your wallet, and just like that, 50 Satoshis is live and tradable on Radium. Now that 50 SAT is live on DEX S with your active liquidity, it's time to watch the market in action. Trust me, every new token launch on DexDM draws instant attention from sharp traders. Let's track your newly minted coin. Grab your token's SAT address from PumpFun or SolScan and head to Solana. Here's a quick trick. Open any token's chart on DEXS, go to the URL bar, paste your token's SOT address over the current one, and hit enter. Boom, your live 50 SAT chart loads. You might notice small trades popping up. Those are just network bots doing routine scans. Totally normal. We're waiting for big organic buy orders from real traders. Hold up, did you see that? Our first major buy order for 50 Satoshis just hit. A hefty chunk of SOL poured in, and the liquidity pool instantly grew. That's the signal we were waiting for. Look at this. Another wave of big buys rolled in, even larger this time. 50 Satoshis is gaining serious momentum, and investors are jumping in. The market cap is climbing fast. This is the thrill of a winning launch. Watching the market embrace your creation with green candles, it's getting wild. A third massive influx just slammed the 50 Satoshis order book. It's turning into a full-on buying frenzy. FOMO is kicking in, and the upward surge is unstoppable. This is the explosive launch we planned for. 50 Satoshis is riding the market wave, and the charts are looking incredible. Now for the big moment, locking in those hard-earned profits. Head to your Radium portfolio, ensure your wallet is connected, and click the Standard tab. Find your 50 Satoshis LP position and hit the small minus icon. Pull out the entire position, slide to 100%. Take a second to admire the Solana value you're about to pocket. Looks solid? Click Remove Liquidity. Approve the transaction when your wallet prompts, and let the blockchain do its thing. That's how you turn a fresh meme coin into a fat Solana stack in your wallet. The big reveal. Checking the results. This strategy is a proven winner. In the fast-moving crypto world, speed and decisiveness are everything. Early movers often grab the biggest gains, while those who hesitate miss the peak.